Right when she went under, I guess she opened, I pulled it. Say cheese for Papa.
Where?
Ooh, he lost. Sorry, close that and another chair.
What are you doing to my son? What did you do?
Shut up.
Yeah, no, it's okay. No, just make it to your easy.
Hey, you're out. You gave me too many chances.